Boss, paano kung sinabi niyang hindi pa siya makapag-decide tapos always siyang pumapayag kung ini-invite ko siyang mag-date? Kung sinasabi ni girl na hindi pa siya makapag-decide, it just simply means na she's not there yet. Ibig sabihin na she's not head over heels in love with you yet to make her want to be exclusive with you. Depende din kasi yan kung gaano na kayo katagal nagda-date. Kasi typically, if you do everything right, the woman should fall in love with you in the 7-week mark of dating. Mapapansin mo yan na almost everyday na siyang tumatawag, nagchat-chat. Basically, she wants your attention all the time. And typically around this time, she will be giving you subtle hints na she wants to be exclusive with you. For example, sasabihin niya na, hey, saan ba papunta tong relationship natin? Or something to that effect. Ngayon, if you're dating this girl for like, say, 7, 8, or 9 months na, tapos sinasabi pa rin niya na hindi pa rin siya makapag-decide, what that tells me is you're doing something wrong sa panliligaw mo. You might be chasing her too much. You might be texting her too much. Masyado kang available sa kanya. Hindi ko alam yung mga details na yun, So I would suggest for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me para mahimay-himay natin yan. So balik tayo sa message mo, Ang sabi mo, hindi pa siya makapag-decide. Well, it seems like pinapressure mo yung babae na makipagrelasyon sa'yo. It tells me na you are asking her kung kailan magiging kayo. Bro, that is in the women's department na. Asking for exclusivity is in the women's department, like I said earlier. For me, it seems like you're hyper-focused on having a relationship with her, Cigarillo. And that is a big no-no. What you should do instead is to keep on dating her at least once a week and follow the 3 H's. Hang out, have fun, and hook up. Kasi kung magfo-focus ka lang on locking her down on a relationship, trust me, Cigarillo, it will show through your actions. And it will show weakness on your part. And when a woman senses weakness sa lalaki, their attraction drops. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Push!